Hey y'all, welcome to Channel Fresco. Today we'll be making this yummy crisp biscuits. For this recipe, you're going to need 500 grams of room temperature butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I am using salted butter. I'm adding 1 cup of icing sugar to my butter, and I'm gonna give that a nice mix. You can use your hands or you can use a hand mixer if you have one. Now you add 1 cup of cornstarch to your mixture. You give that a very nice mix. Now you add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And last but not least, you add 4 cups of flour, one at a time, to your mixture. Give that a nice mix and your biscuits are ready to bake. Well, I just decided to add some sprinkles just to make them look a bit prettier. And yeah, that is it. Enjoy!